Hello viewers, are you experiencing RCS chat not supported problem? Don't worry, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search message by Google. From here update your message by Google apps if available any update version. Search again carrier service. Install carrier service. If carrier service is not installed in your device, just install it. After install carrier service, now go to settings. Scroll down, find apps or apps management. Now go to apps or apps management. Now click on search bar and search message. Now click on message apps. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. Now go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to main settings, go to software updates. From here update your phone software version in latest version. Go back again main settings, click on search bar and search reset mobile network settings. Now open settings, click on reset mobile network settings. Now click on reset settings to reset your mobile network settings. One more thing, the message app must be as default app. After following all steps, now open message app. Go to RCS chat settings. Now turn off and turn on RCS chats. Now look, RCS chat connected and not supported problem fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.